Hey everyone, you're watching Endless Voyages, and today's destination is my personal favorite and a place that has been long on my bucket list, Krka National Park. Well, if you're planning to visit Croatia, I'm sure that Krka National Park is already on the top of your list. And if you're here looking for the easiest way to travel to Krka and plan your visit, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to guide you on the best way to reach Krka and how to plan your day at this spectacular park. Also, watch this video till the end to know how you can club your visit to Krka with two gorgeous towns of Šibenik and Skradan. Krka is an easy day trip from Split as there are plenty of buses and group tours. But if you want to spend more time at the park, make Šibenik your base for visiting the park just like we did. Split is approximately 95 kilometers from the national park, but Šibenik is only 19 kilometers from the entrance of Krka. Now there are two ways to reach Krka. If you're hiring a car, drive straight up to the parking lot of Lozovac, from where you can take the bus arranged by the park authorities that drops you right at the entrance of the park. Or if you plan to take the public bus or book a cab like we did, it will leave you in the beautiful town of Skradan, where the ticket office for the Krka National Park is located. Here you can book the boat tickets that include the entry ticket to the park. Don't forget to ask about the timing for the last ferry back to Skradan, and make sure to book your return tickets in advance, especially during the high season as it is packed with tourists heading back to Skradan. Personally, we think visiting Krka to Skradan is a much better option because the boat ride is much more scenic and it drops you just at the entrance of the park, from where the main highlight of the park, Skradanski Buk waterfalls, is just a 5-minute easy walk. Now that you're ready for your trip, what would be an ideal season to visit Krka National Park? Most people may argue that the best time recommended to visit Krka may be between May to September. But if you want to enjoy the waterfalls without the crazy tourist rush just like we did, we would recommend you to visit the national park in the month of April. Less touristy, more space, and oh, did I mention the amazing climate? Skradanski Buk is definitely the most beautiful site of the national park, but you can also follow the nature trail and hike up around the waterfalls and get a view of the falls from different viewpoints, right up to the top from where it begins. The park is very well maintained with designated paths and proper signboards for restroom, picnic area, restaurants, and a little bit of history and lots of interesting facts about the park. Another exciting thing to do at the park is to take a boat tour around the island of Lozovac and visit its monastery, or take a boat ride to Roxy Slap to see other waterfalls around the park. But do remember, it takes another 4 hours to complete this circuit. Hence, we decided to skip it and enjoy our time in Skradanski Buk and hike around the trail. Once we were done with the hike, we took the ferry back to Skradan to spend some quiet time in this little picturesque town that is definitely worth a short visit. Krka is undeniably one of the best national parks we have seen in Europe, and I hope that this video will help you to plan your trip successfully. Do let us know your views in the comment section, or if you have any queries regarding your trip. And please do like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel Endless Voyages. As promised, leaving you with a short glimpse of the beautiful town of Šibenik. See you on the next destination.